So yes, robots can now dance, walk around, and even communicate with people. We are clearly on the way to a totally different kind of world. Imagine having a companion robot at home. It could help watch over your children, maybe even help teach them. Elon Musk has officially introduced Tesla Optimus Gen 3, a remarkable humanoid robot that is not just smart but also learns new things at a stunning pace. Just picture the IA robot picking up 1,000 new abilities every single day simply by using Wi-Fi and watching YouTube videos. Welcome to Amp Drive, where future technology meets today's reality. If you're passionate about Tesla's bold innovations and want to stay ahead of the curve, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We are a growing channel, and your support means everything as we explore the tech that's shaping tomorrow. Make sure you stick around. We have a lot to uncover about this amazing robot. Now back to Optimus. With its smooth appearance, advanced artificial intelligence, and a price tag lower than $20,000, it could completely change how we care for older adults, not just helping them, but giving them true independence. This Tesla bot is no longer just an idea. It's a fast-moving, affordable machine that might soon change how we work, live, and grow older. The big question is, are we really ready to live side by side with a robot that might someday earn more than us? Or are you feeling uneasy, thinking robots will take away jobs from humans? Take a deep breath. In today's episode from Amp Drive, we're going to break down all those thoughts flying through your head. When you hear the words humanoid robot, it can bring up a mix of feelings. Some people imagine a sleek, high-tech future where machines do all the risky or boring tasks, like cleaning, cooking, and laundry. It's like the dream of ultimate comfort and convenience. But not everyone finds that idea exciting. Some people are nervous, thinking robots will replace human workers or lead us into a dark future straight out of a science fiction movie. Others just cannot take these robots seriously yet. They think most of them look awkward, cost too much, or move like someone trying to walk after spinning in circles. People joke that they look like drunk people or confused politicians, and let's be honest, those comparisons are not completely wrong. Still, let's be honest. We are not saying Tesla has made the most advanced robot in the world. But if you are talking about practical machines that might really help regular folks in everyday life, Optimus is clearly ahead. It is powerful, and more importantly, it is now something everyday people might actually afford. Thanks to a price lower than many cars, home robots are now something you can talk about seriously, not just dream about. As Elon Musk said himself, I do not think the cost will be extremely high, probably cheaper than a car. He added that once mass production starts, the robot should sell for around $20,000 to $30,000. His main goal? To make life easier for older people struggling with expensive and slow care services. For under $20,000, Optimus is not just a budget-friendly option, it's a helpful companion that keeps seniors safe and lets them keep their independence longer. But what makes Optimus Gen 3 capable of learning more than 1,000 skills every single day? If this robot can simply watch YouTube videos or tutorial clips and, just like a human, learn new tasks from them, then it has incredible flexibility. This is the kind of thing that can change everything. It means Optimus can learn nearly anything very quickly. Recently, Tesla shared a brand new demo video showing off the amazing abilities of the Optimus bot. The video got people excited about the possibilities. The robot was shown doing several household chores, vacuuming, cooking easy meals. It even picked up trash, used a microwave, and cleaned with careful precision. The demo didn't only focus on the home. It also showed Optimus doing factory work, like picking up car parts in an industrial setting, proving that it can work in homes and also on production lines. What stands out most about Optimus is how simple it makes things seem. It does not need a long list of commands. You can just say something like, pick up the broom and sweep the floor, and the robot gets to work from start to finish. It does not need a special script or programming. Just say it, and Optimus does it. Another big improvement is how well it uses both hands. Older versions of Optimus mostly worked with one hand at a time. Now, it can use both hands smoothly together, which makes it far better at copying human actions. Its neural network is doing the hard work in the background, figuring out where to move, how to avoid bumping into things, and how to keep its balance. Tesla designed custom hardware for this bot, including hands with 22 degrees of freedom. That means each hand can move in very detailed ways, letting the robot handle tools and objects with real skill. This gives Tesla a big edge over other robots, which often have stiff limbs that cannot do useful tasks. But it's not just the hardware that makes Tesla stand out. It's how these robots learn. Most robots are trained by copying human motion or being controlled like remote toys. Tesla takes a much smarter route. They teach Optimus by letting it watch videos of people doing tasks. If that sounds like how you might learn to cook or fix something by watching a tutorial on YouTube, you're right. Optimus watches a video, say, of someone folding laundry or cooking in eGand, then copies that task in a virtual environment. It practices the movements over and over, sometimes billions of times in simulation. Once it gets really good, it is allowed to try in the real world. This method helps the robot pick up new tasks much faster than the old ways. It gets even better. Tesla has created what they call a shared brain. When one Optimus robot learns something like how to make an omelet, that skill is sent to every other Optimus in the world. You do not have to train each robot separately. They all improve together, like students sharing their notes instantly. This is the same system Tesla built for their self-driving cars, using data from billions of miles to teach all the vehicles how to drive better. As Elon Musk explained, Tesla is the leader in real-world artificial intelligence. What we've learned from cars, we're applying to robots. The company is also using its knowledge of electric motors, batteries, electronics, and manufacturing. And that last one, manufacturing, is a major advantage. Tesla knows how to build things at large scale. Most other robots are made in small numbers for labs. Tesla wants to make thousands or millions. This could change everything. As more Optimus robots are made and used, their combined intelligence keeps growing. In factories, if one Optimus learns how to build a part for Tesla's upcoming Cybercab robotaxi, that process can be shared with every other robot instantly. Thousands of bots could learn millions of tasks in just a year. At home, Optimus becomes your all-in-one helper. It can vacuum, clean counters, open curtains, even serve drinks. It keeps learning and adjusting to whatever you need. Some people may ask, is it really learning or just copying movements? But Tesla's system is about learning through practice and fixing mistakes. It perfects tasks in simulation before doing them in real life. Think of this. While 1,000 human chefs might all cook a steak differently, one Optimus can learn the best way and share that exact skill with every other bot. That kind of precision is critical for things like elder care, factory work, and even medicine. Elon Musk has said Optimus could be the biggest product in Tesla's history, bigger than cars. And when you look at how quickly it learns, how well it shares knowledge, and how well it is built, that claim starts to make sense. We are watching the start of a robotic revolution that could completely change how we live. Optimus Gen 3 is still developing. It's not quite ready to flip pancakes with flair or babysit young children, but it is learning fast. It is already proving that it can follow voice commands, handle complex tasks, and keep improving. Whether it's in a warehouse, a home, or an assembly line, Optimus is not just another machine. It's a smart assistant designed for the real world. And what about how long it can last? Most robots are built to last about 5 to 10 years. But Tesla wants Optimus to work for more than 24 years. That's a bold goal, but it is backed by engineering choices. The robot's skeleton is made of aluminum alloy used in airplane strong but lightweight. It can handle daily stress for decades. For the joints like shoulders and Tesla uses carbon fiber reinforced plastic. It's light, tough, and helps keep the robot quick and energy efficient. The gears and moving parts are built to last, with stress tests showing they can work for more than 20 years. The motors have smart systems to keep them cool and avoid overheating. Optimus runs on Tesla's 4680 battery cells. These batteries have been tested to hold over 80% of their power after 3,500 charges. If you charge it once a day, 6 days a week, that's more than 20 years of use. Tesla's charging system also helps by avoiding things like overcharging or draining the battery too much. Even smarter is how Optimus protects itself. Its brain can feel when something is wrong, like too much pressure on a joint. It adjusts in real time to protect itself from damage. The robot can also cool itself down and keep its balance, even on long days. And if something breaks, you can replace parts easily. You do not have to throw away the whole robot. This makes it cheaper to keep running and adds years to its life. Tesla also tests the robot in extreme heat, cold, drops, shaking, and dusty environments. Even the sensors have backups, so if one fails, the robot can keep working. Tesla has shown it knows how to build things that last. Some of the very first Tesla cars are still driving today with original batteries and motors. That same care is going into Optimus. So in less than 2 years, Tesla may have made every other humanoid robot outdated. Most robots are built for research. They look cool in videos but never make it to your home. But Tesla shocked everyone when it brought 50 working Optimus Gen 3 robots to a live event. People expected to see the new Cybercab, but all eyes were on Optimus. People watched them work, talk, and help. It felt real. This robot can accept deliveries, fold clothes, clean the kitchen, and serve drinks. With a planned price of $20,000, Tesla hopes people will actually buy it. Thanks to making it in-house and using parts from Tesla cars, it might only cost about $10,000 to build. That's a price no one else can match. This makes the dream of personal robots possible for homes, shops, and schools. And if you still think this might be just hype, remember Tesla's past. They've already changed the world with electric cars, solar panels, and battery storage. Optimus is just the next piece in a larger system of smart machines. Would you spend $20,000 on a robot like Optimus? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Tesla's bold future, make sure to hit like, share this video, and subscribe to AMP Drive so you never miss an update. We'll see you next time!